Hey guys, back again. This time I've got a box. Now if you remember my other video, I did say when I got Assassin's Creed that if I got any of the other ones, I'd do another unboxing and show you exactly what they are and how they look compared to the other statue that I've got. Well, thanks to my little brother, I did a thing. I got the remaining statue. I don't know if I'll get the wrist blade, it's a bit too finicky for me and hard to stand up. Plus I'll be wearing it all the bloody time and knowing me I'll break the fucking thing. So in this I've got the other statue to the girly one and I got their little heroes which I'll show you in a second. So let's get straight on with it because I've been looking forward to this since the game came out and it came late from Ubisoft. Supposed to have been here for Christmas. Nah, ain't happening. So, I got my trusty bone knife. Let's crack on. Easy as that. So what we got in here? We got an invoice. See, look, I ordered it directly from Ubisoft. Some steroided up bubble wrap. Can't reach. These are the little guys I was on about. Yeah, you have to deal with all the glare. It's bloody dark in this kitchen. So we've got Eivor girly and Eivor boy with his big axe and helmet on because he's an ugly fuck. So these, I think, work towards the game that you can play on your phone. I think. But then again, I'm not 100% sure. I think it's just their take on pop figures. But there's only a couple of them I like, so don't expect to see many of these. I just got these two because they were like £7 each. So I thought, fuck it, I'm getting them. Plus they look quite cool. So I'll get those out in a second and I'll show you them. Which is rare for me because all my pop figures stay in the box. They stay in the box. Stay in the box. Right, let me just... Yeah, clear off. Come on. We don't need that anymore. So, there's your Eivor wolf-kissed. There we go. There's your Eivor wolf-kissed. I'll take him out for you to see. This one comes with tattoos. So that's the side there, look. There's his ugly mug again. It's not as impressive as the girly one, not gonna lie. But I wanted it. So I got it. See? There's your box. So, let's have a look at this guy. Again, he was out of stock in places like Game and things like that. I do like to try and support little businesses like Game. In other places I can. There's your tattoo set. There you go, look. Try and take some glare out so you can see him a bit. But this time I went straight to Ubisoft because I know for a fact they'd have some in. And as luck would have it, they did. So I'm going to take this bit out as well so you can see if it would come out. When he's inside the box, he's actually got this really nice print. I think it's really cool. It's incredibly pretty. I make a really nice game mat. That would. Yeah, so that also comes with him. But we don't need that. And like the last one, comes in this plastic shell. For some reason has self tape on every edge. So, there he is. Still nicely made. Still quite cool. And I'm glad I've got him. Because there's not very many of these types of gaming statues that I like. That's him. Let's finish him off. Okay, so that is supposed to go in there. Right, so I've got the size of that, right? See the size of that? I have definitely got to spit and push harder to get it in that tiny hole. And look at the size difference between the hole in his hand and the axe. What type of bullshit is that? Right, this is where it turns into Ragnar breaks stuff. Not on purpose. But I'm going to try and not break it. Whoa. Are you making noises like that on me, you bastard? There we go. And there's his axe. That was incredibly hard and I nearly snapped his thumb off. And if I do this, look. Can you hear that? It's quite flimsy on that joint. So I'm glad he didn't snap. So there's his axe. There's his helmet. There's his ugly mug. So yeah, that's that for you, look. Shall we take a look at these little guys as well? They're not pop figures, so I don't mind these coming out. I'll only do the one for you because I think the two's a bit, there's no point. So we'll just do the big guy with the axe. How about that? Yeah, got it, good, because that's the one I'm doing anyway, so fuck you. So we'll start with the bottom. See, that's a game. That's a mobile game, so it makes me think that there might be some way of like scanning the codes on these bastards or something that will let you use them. Like that one there, look, it's got a QR code on the side of the box. And then you can play as Eivor Big Axe. That's him, look. Here he is. In all his glory. I do quite like these. Still got quite a lot of detailing in. I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but like all of his chest, it's got the lines for where the armor plates would be. And then on his little tunic as well, you've got the lines to show you where all the leather would have been connected. He's even got rivets on his helmet. I hate wearing these type of helmets. Things always get stuck. See that? Look. Yeah, they're great for glancing blows to the face, but if something comes in thrusting, it gets stuck in that socket, or you can get shoved straight into your fucking eye. I don't like them. So I don't wear them. I wear just the normal nasal guard. I forgot what the fucking word is then. So, stick him here for you, on top of that. And let's have some boxing for you. I know it's not the best. I know I'm not the greatest at them, but I said I'd do one as soon as I got all the stuff. Well, I got the majority of it. So I thought I'd do it for you. Because I'm nice like that. See? Look at his face. Look at this face. Look at this. Beautiful face. Beautiful. It's not. It's just I've grown this thing and it looks alright. Right. So that's that then, guys. I'd like to thank you all for coming along. Much love goes out to you all. I'm incredibly honoured to have you all here, as always, and I'll keep saying it until someone comments for me to stop. Did anyone do it? Good. Because I am honoured to have you here. So, go swivel. Right, I'll see you later then, guys. Bye.